The Indian market.
Yes.
There's a few SMIN, which is Indian small cap, which is continues. I mean, this is a thin one, but this continues to do well. This market, if you compare it to the Qs and the SPYs over the last year, this one is actually outperforming both of those markets. INDA is another way to play it, much more liquid, but this is also up near its highs. It's not a big, fast mover, but I just think this market continues to do well, and so I that's it's something you might want to consider um, as as uh, as an investment to kind of counteract the U.S. markets at times.
Great point. We had this discussion, and uh, one interesting anecdote you shared was that one of your former colleagues at William O'Neill Company now is working for another firm and has been seeing a lot of individual Indian stocks not traded in the U.S. but are making fantastic moves as the world's is it now the world's largest com country in terms of population,
Yeah,
might have, yeah,
yeah.
exceeded China now, continues to grow in all aspects. So these ETFs seem to even have more significance. Here's his SMIN,
Yeah.
which David highlighted. Kind of, they look very similar.
Yeah, and this one is thin, so it's hard to buy, but um yeah, I mean you can see it hasn't traded much today. Um but yeah, some of these stocks, I mean, we have no access. It's very, very hard to gain any access to this market for somebody outside the country. It's so you can't buy the individual stocks, even though some of them are making some great moves. This is probably the only way I think you can buy this
Yeah.
country.
One more I want to highlight that we talked about too with David was EPI. This is a Wisdom Tree India earnings company, and it's had a spectacular performance. So you can not only just look at the technical action of these stocks or ETFs one by one, but perhaps use this four black square comparison graph and put all of these tickers in there alongside the Qs, alongside SPY, and change the time frame in which to compare the performance, and that can give you some additional intel.